Chevy Malibu 2020, how to hardwire your dash cam in the fuse box. See here, the camera's on. Car is off. I routed the wire up there around the windshield and through the side and all the way down here. So you have three wires. The first one is this one here. That is your battery. That's in the fuse F40. And the second one here is your accessory. And that has to be put in F36. If you look at this here, F36, F40. The third wire is the ground. It's put right there. And also remember that you have to use micro fuses with micro fuse tabs. Very important. You'll need 2 fuse tabs and 2 fuses, but I guess they come in a pack of 5. Hope you have fun. Take it easy.